Welcome to the Wiki General. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you how to delete history and Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So now we are going to show you that how to delete history and Instagram. For this, first you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon, and now it will show you your profile, and then click on the three line at the top, and now click on the your activity, and it will move you to this page. Scroll it down and you see the option account history. Once you click on it, it will view all of the activities you have on your Instagram account. There is your bio, that is related other passwords, change, etc. But you will get none of the option to clear your or delete your Instagram history. So the feature of deleting history on Instagram is not available to this time. Some YouTubers show you that how to delete history and gave you alternate way, but it was totally wrong and it may damage your account. So I recommend you that don't follow those methods. So these are the short steps to clear that it is not a feature to delete Instagram history. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.